singers wandered from one village to another, narrating stories from the epics, ballads and songs to the village folk. In course of time, this tradition of storytelling changed its medium to cloth and canvas paintings, and thus was born the beautiful art form of Kalamkari in the villages of Srikalahasti and Masulipatnam, both in present days in Andhra Pradesh. This 3000 years old art form thus had two distinct styles named after the two villages of its origin. The Srikalahasti style developed in the temples and focused on themes of Indian epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata, images of gods and goddesses, and the Masulipatnam style influenced by Persian motifs and designs. Kalamkari art traditionally used earthy colors like indigo, mustard, rust, black and green with bold outlines using natural dyes. For instance, craftsmen extracted black color by blending jaggery, water and iron fillings which they used for outline of the sketches, while mustard and yellow were derived from boiling pomegranate peels. Red hues were created from barks of madar and algarin. Likewise, blue was obtained from indigo and green was obtained by mixing blue and yellow color together. The artists who worked on the Kalamkari painting scrolls were known as Jadu Patuas or Duwari Patuas, loosely translated as magical painters. In Kalamkari, we first make a bold outline in black and later color the sketches using earthy colors. In this structured, module-based 20-hour course, you shall first learn the basics of outline and usage of colors and then move on to creating this art on different surfaces like canvas, cloth bag, photo frame. All through the course, we share tips and tricks that makes your experience even more exciting. We also share a set of do's and don'ts to keep you right on track. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and let the magical painting begin.